How to update Project Jazz. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Project Jazz game and want to make sure you're using the latest version, then first of all go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Project Jazz and search. Look for this Project Jazz game from the search result and check if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on the update button to download the latest version of the Project Jazz application. The new update or the newest version comes with bug fixes and performance improvement, so it is crucial to keep updating your application to the latest version. And that's how you successfully update Project Jazz game, and you can now enjoy the latest fixes and improvements. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.